Hi everyone, I'm Joey. So this is a demo video for test-driven development with feature tests. So compared with integration tests and model tests, feature tests do not need to deal with the lower level object dependencies. And in feature tests, you only need to think about the high level features. So I will show you one example. So in this example, it's about when a new user without account, the new user try to request a new account in order to log into Expertise. So this is pending tests as I show in previous videos. So I could run the tests. So you will see the similar things like before. Yeah, so these are pending tests. And then I could revert to something which I wrote. And so basically these are feature tests. So in before each block, you need to create some things. In this case, in feature tests, you can create objects in test database since you need to deal with them later, and you can use create. It's okay. And so in the body of the tests, it's like we use Capybara. So like this is a GitHub page of Capybara. I think you have also watched the videos about it. So in this page there are a lot of examples here. So for example, if you want to find some objects on the view, you can use these kind of keywords and scoping, filling, and all other kind of things. So if you have questions, I suggest you to first refer to their README document. So let's go back to our example, and this example is easy here. As you can see, I first visit this URL, then try to click a link, and after that I try to select this. Actually, this is the idea of a drop down. I select instructor from this drop down and try to fill in text area. This is the idea of text area. It's text field, and with this name, fill in this one with this one, fill in email with this email, and try to select another drop down, and try to click the request button, and then this will the page should have this content, and also the database account should increase by 1. So let's run the tests again. So actually for feature tests, right now it will pop up a window to show you the process. It just like mock your cursor and your keyboard, try to automatically fill in something and click something on the view. As you can see, click request account, and then automatically type in something, choose these things, click request, and then you can see there are these messages on the page, and after that the window will be closed and the test will be passed. So I just show you an example of pass tests, and the kind of magic thing here is this piece, JS true. So if you set JS is true, it will pop up a window when you run the tests, but this is optional. So if your feature tests do not need deal with JavaScript things, you can remove this one and it will still work. So since we are working on test-driven development, so there are 3 steps. I just try to refresh your memory. It's like first we need to write a field tests, then add a new feature, And the last step is refactor your tests or your code. So actually in the requirement, so we want to add a new text field or text area. It's called description. Basically, we want the new user to try to write a brief description about themselves. So the instructor or admin of Expertise are able to know who you are and then decide whether to accept or decline your request. So basically, you need to think about what the feature will look like. So basically, we want to add a new text field. So you can write another expectation is like when you visit this page, on this page there's a description, and you can find the description on this account. And also, you can try to fill in this text field or text area with some content and try to save. So I try to save it. So at this time, this test will fail. Should be fail, right? And at this time, I will try to delete this option, and you will find that there will be no window to pop up. Sorry, yeah, there will be no window to pop up, but the test will still be executed. So that option is just for elaboration purpose. I mean, if it's not deal with the JavaScript. So yeah, as you can see, the test failed, which is what we expected. So as you can see here, the error message is when this expectation is reached. It tried to find this text in this on the view, but it cannot find it, so the test is failed. So, and after you implement this new feature, and this test the field tests should be passed. So this is kind of the process of test-driven development. Write field tests, add a new feature, and make the field tests pass. So yeah, again, if you have question, you could refer to this Capybara README first, then you can send me email if you have further questions. Thank you for watching.